Hello everybody, my name is Christian and today I'm gonna show you how to buy crypto or how to deposit fiat on Binance. And yeah, let's just get started. Should be a short and simple video. If you have any concern or if you don't get something, just let me know in the comments and I will try to explain it better. So let's get started. First of all, we have to go on Binance.com. If you don't have an account, I'm gonna put the link down below in the description, so you can use my referral link, and we will both earn some percentage. We need to create an account on Binance. If you don't know how to do it, it's simple. You just go to Binance.com and you just fill everything like you do on any other website or whatever. After that, you can verify your account, which you have to do it. Should be pretty simple and pretty fast. I mean, you do exactly what they ask you for and it should be almost instantly. After that, you come here to this section of buy crypto and you can select the first option or the second option. So let's go for the first one, card deposit. Here you can select your currency. Because I live in Europe, I will use euro, and as a payment I will use my bank card, and then we press continue. Here I have to put my card details because I just changed my card today, and I have to select the address and whatever. So now my card is added, and for the sake of the video I'm gonna deposit like 15 euros, and let's go for it. Confirm. And now I just have to confirm the transaction from my application. Just let's wait a second to make it from my phone. So now the transaction is complete. Let's wait. There you go, my deposit was successfully. And now let's go back to the wallet, overview, and here I should see my balance, which is $19, and fiat and spot, and here I have my 15 euros deposit. And now if you want to change it to crypto, you go to markets and then to spot and fiat markets. You select euro, and then here you have all the pairs with the euro, so you can, I don't know, if you want to use BNB or USD, you just type, or USDT. So I see that there's no I think should be, if we go BUSD and here we type euro, you have the pair with USD, and also you should have with USDT. So for example, for the sake of the video, let's go and change euro for BUSD. We click on that. Here we want to sell our euro. For the price we use market, and then here we select maximum available, and then we just sell euro. We sell, and now if we go back to our wallet, we have here 17.2 BUSD. Now you can do whatever transactions you want. You can move it to wallets or buy another coins or tokens, or it's your choice. So basically that's it. So it's really simple, fast. Also you have the options to make a bank transfer, or let's see other payments. This one, the ADF cash, which I used in the past, but recently I just use my banks because it's pretty fast. And let's see, you have third-party payments, but I think for the sake of the video it's just enough if you have a credit or debit card. And yeah, you can even buy directly a coin. For example, if you want to buy, I don't know, Ethereum, you click here, you put here, let's say I want to buy Ethereum for 15 euros, and then you go continue, and it's basically the same process, but you buy directly the crypto and you don't just deposit the fiat. And yeah, that's it. I hope everything was clear, and if you have any other concerns or if you do not understand something, please let me know in the comments, and I will try to answer to everybody. So till next time, have a good day, and take care of your investments.